We are now at the end of the first module. Here is a quick summary of what we have covered. Lean aims to eliminate waste in order to focus on creating the most value possible for customers. Activities performed by companies create value only when the customer is willing to pay for them. Companies need to clearly define the value for the end customer before identifying activities that create this value. Value is not created in a moment, but in a stream of activity. The value stream includes a lot of activities that only create waste, but that customer pay anyway. Value stream mapping is like taking a snapshot of all of the activities required to deliver the product, whether they create value or not. The Lean approach is applicable to any company in any economic context, regardless of its positioning on the market. Lean helps companies achieve business sustainability and create competitive advantage by keeping all stakeholders in the business ecosystem happy. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this module. If you want to learn more, take some time to review the additional resources at the end of this module. And don't forget to complete your assignment before moving to the next module.